we're back, and today we're gonna open some packs. Yasin is gonna do a selfie pack. I'm gonna hold the camera and he's gonna open the pack. This pack we're just gonna skip it. Yasin, come sit here where I am. Yasin, sit there. Sit there. Yeah, good job. Now, look there. Look at the camera.
Hi, camera.
Wait, move a little bit. Move a little bit so the camera can see. Here. Open. Just do something to the camera now. Don't look. Oh no, it's a bad player. I'm just gonna. It was like
This guy. No, that.
no, just don't look. Move a little bit so they can see.
Oh, wait.
What?
I can say
Oh, come on!
What?
Come on!
Fun?
Stupid money! Stupid money! I thought it was gonna be Ronaldo. No, both of us are not gonna look. Both of us.
I'm not Kevin.
Don't look, Yasin.
Gabriel.
Guys, you can see, but we can't.
Is it done?
I'm just gonna skip and back.
You got some to eat this guy.
I see now next pack, don't look. I'm just gonna close and I'm gonna bring it closer to the camera. But don't look yet like that. I see Matahay. Don't look.
No.
Okay, this one is bad.
Too bad.
Come on, Yasin, don't look.
I don't see. You don't see. No, I'm covering. No, don't be. Phew. Yes.
Yeah, like that I can't see. You guys can, but I'm not.
I'm gonna see on the camera.
Pack finish.
Yeah. Don't close it. Don't. That's
So
so
guys, see you next time and goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe.